Now, the BJP in Maharashtra is intensifying its protests over the reported atrocities against minorities in Bangladesh, particularly targeting the Hindu community. Last evening, the BJP's Worli unit staged a demonstration outside the Decathlon at Atria Mall, condemning the sale of Bangladeshi products and voicing their concerns about the plight of minorities in the neighboring country. During this protest, BJP workers raised slogans against Bangladesh, expressing their outrage over the situation. They called for a boycott of brands that sell products from Bangladesh. This protest, remember, follows earlier demonstrations as well by the Worli unit against international brands like Marks & Spencer and H&M at the Phoenix Mall, where similar sentiments were expressed regarding the sale of Bangladeshi goods.
The situation in Bangladesh is grim. There are several cases which has been reported regarding the atrocities happening against the minorities in Bangladesh. Now, what exactly happening over here where I'm present is that the BJP unit is protesting against the Bangladeshi products which are sold in India as well as in Maharashtra. Earlier, there was a protest against several brands including Marks & Spencer as well as H&M. Now, right now, the protest is going on against the Decathlon here at the Atria Mall in Worli. Let's try and talk to a few people and understand their perspective why they are protesting. BJP Worli unit is protesting here at Atria Mall in Worli. क्या exactly आपकी डिमांड्स है, क्या कहना चाहिए?
यहाँ पे हम लोग इसलिए यहाँ आए हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे डेकेथलॉन करके एक मॉल है, इसमें बांग्लादेशी मैन्युफैक्चर सब चीजें बेची जा रही है और हम ये देख रहे हैं कि गए 1 महीने 2 महीने से हमारे हिंदू जो अल्पसंख्यक है बांग्लादेश में, उनके साथ दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण व्यवहार हो रहा है, उनके ऊपर अत्याचार हो रहा है।
हमारी एक्शन बहुत तीव्र है, हमारी संवेदना तीव्र है। ये हमारा एक सिंबॉलिक आंदोलन है। यहाँ हमारे अवेयरनेस है कि लोगों को चेतना करने का बांग्लादेश के ऊपर।
अल्टीमेटली दे आर सेलिंग द प्रोडक्ट्स इन हिंदुस्तान. Those who are not respecting Hindus, they are not allowed to sell any products. And being a Hindu, I am proud to be Sanatani, and we will not allow anyone to sell Bangladeshi product, irrespective of where are the brands coming. But only thing is that if you are respecting Hindus, we will buy the product.